Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones LG Tone 3 Fit. So, the touch area is located right here. So I should put it to my ears to show you how it works. And to increase the volume, you should press 2 times on your right earbud. 1, 2. And as you can see, I increase the volume again. 1, 2. And again I increase it. And to lower it, you should press 2 times on your left earbud. So 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. And here we go. And again. 1, 2. And I just lower it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!